Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape drive in a StorageTek SL500 tape library. This replacement will not require downtime. The replacement procedure is the same for all models of drive for the SL500. Please note, if you purchased your replacement tape drive from the Rocket Platform website, the drive will come with a target included. If you did not purchase your replacement tape drive from the Rocket Platform website, you may need to transfer the drive target from the faulty drive to the replacement. If this is the case, but the target on your faulty drive is either missing or broken, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com. First, you will need to locate your faulty tape drive. If you open SL Console, you will see a folder on the left called Drive Folder on the main screen. If you expand this folder, it will show you the details of all drives in the library. Any drive with an error will be marked with either a yellow exclamation point or a red X. Once you locate the drive with the fault, you will see a 4-digit location code next to that drive. This location code will tell you where in the library the drive is. The two parts of this 4-digit code that are important are the second and third digits. The second digit will tell you which module the drive is in, and the third digit will tell you the position of the drive within that module. Library modules are numbered from the top down, starting with the number 1. Drive positions within each module are also labeled from the top down, starting with the number 1. A control module chassis will only contain 2 drive positions, and expansion module chassis will contain 4 drive positions. Once you have found the position of your drive, you will also want to go into the properties of that drive location and verify the hardware address of the drive. If this is a SCSI drive, that means the SCSI ID. And if it is a fiber channel drive, that means the worldwide name. Please write down the hardware address for the drive before continuing. Now you can move to the rear of the library and locate your drive. Disconnect the host cable from the drive and then loosen the thumb screw that holds the drive in the library. Pull the drive straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. Ensure that the drive target is installed with proper orientation on the replacement drive, and then slide the replacement drive into the library carefully, ensuring that it is seated completely. Tighten the thumb screw to secure the drive in the library, and then reattach the host cable. Return to SL Console. The library will now scan and verify the drive, and you should see the drive change to a green check mark next to it in SL Console. Go into the Properties tab and verify that the hardware address of the replacement drive. If it is a SCSI drive and the SCSI ID has changed, you will want to set the SCSI ID to the same as the faulty drive had been. If it is a fiber channel drive and the worldwide name has changed, you will want to give both the new and old worldwide names to the system administrator in case rezoning is needed. Your drive replacement is now complete. If you are having any issues with your drive replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.